13 minutes after the hour now. In our Price of Paradise series, the cost to live in our little slice of paradise, of course, has gone up dramatically since the pandemic began. Hundreds of thousands of people are moving to the Tampa Bay area, driving up demand. And home prices are rising faster here than in California and New York. That's according to the Case-Shiller Home Price Index.
But we don't talk enough about homeowners insurance. That's also getting more expensive, and many residents are seeing bills 3 times what they paid just 2 years ago. ABC Action News in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos went into Tampa neighborhoods to find out how it got this bad and what needs to be done.
Property insurance companies in the state of Florida are going bankrupt one after another. So most people with homes under $650,000 have what's called the last resort state subsidized property insurance, Citizens. But take a look at Hudson resident Elizabeth Roach's bill. Back in 2019, her premium was $769 a year. It went up to $1,500 last year, and this year more than $1,900.
That is almost 3 times as it was 2 years ago. And it really just makes you wonder, okay, what is going on here?
That is the $1,000 question. According to insurance.com, the average home insurance cost in Florida for a $300,000 home is $3,600, which is about $1,300 more than the national average. I went to veteran insurance agent Kathy Walsh for answers.
The reason is due to all of the fraud that we've seen going on in Florida. There is an organized undercurrent of roofers, public adjusters, attorneys canvassing neighborhoods about the roof on your house. Even though it's a 24-year-old roof and it's only good for 20 years, we can get you a new roof put on by your insurance carrier.
That's exactly what's happening in this Seminole Heights neighborhood.
I turned around, I looked down between our houses, and there was a ladder up against my roof, and there was a guy about to step onto the roof. And I said, hey, what are you doing?
Brian Curry and Rebecca Williams tell me roofing companies are constantly knocking on the doors of these homes built in the 1920s.
They had knocked on my door. Oh, we can tell you need a new roof. I said, really? How can you tell that? You haven't even been on it. Well, we're coming around the neighborhood. And I said, sure, you can go on my roof. It just became such a hardcore press, like, do you want to do it? Do you want to do it?
Even after she said no, Williams received this voicemail.
Just wanted to see if you were ready to get the ball rolling on your new roof. Give me a call back at your earliest convenience.
Walsh says these companies get the homeowner to sign an assignment of benefits, allowing the roofer to deal directly with the insurance company, often claiming storm damage and ending up in court.
Florida makes up 10% of all insurance claims nationwide, but we are 76% of lawsuits nationwide.
According to Guy Carpenter Industry Reporting, property insurers had $1.22 billion in underwriting losses from January to September of 2021. That's money lost in addition to paying out claims. As of the last week of March, 7 companies in Florida are in liquidation. Lexington Insurance also joined the list of companies pulling out of the Florida market, and those that are still hanging on, like Lighthouse Property and Florida Farm Bureau, both had their financial ratings drop due to losses. Walsh says it's crucial Florida passed legislation on cash value roof replacement.
Mortgage lenders and mortgage requirements have required that they have to be 100% replacement cost on the roof. Needs to change to actual cash value at 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years of the roof. It needs to be a depreciating scale.
Any new bills before March 2023 would require a special session. In Tampa, I'm in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos, taking action for you.